Hey Melissa, I got it. This is either going to be a good idea or a very bad idea. I need you to hold the door open so I can run in the house after I shoot the nest. I'm going to try to shoot from here and then run in the house. Last time I did this, a wasp went down my shirt and stung me in the armpit. We have a party here tonight, so getting everything ready, and then all of a sudden I noticed those guys right there. Oh, and another one right here. Holy shit. There's two. Wow. Let me shoot those guys first. Oh, that wasn't bad. This doesn't shoot no 20 feet. Alright, it's one down. Oof. Get the other one. I got both of them also. I filmed it. It's gonna be on YouTube. Say hi to my audience. She hates when I do this. I got both of them. It wasn't a big nest, but it was enough to annoy us while we're having the party. I gotta clean this up. I don't know if this stuff stains, Melissa. Is it on? Okay, that's good. I want to wash. Ugh. Good riddance. I don't know if you can see. Ah, he got it all over him, you see? He's rubbing it. See, he's rubbing himself. He went over to the nest and it was wet. I don't know how close I can get to him. I wonder if he's gonna drop. Alright, I got another little project I gotta do today. I got some tears in the vinyl top on my bar. I'm gonna see if I can fix it with a vinyl repair kit. Temporary until I reupholster it. Hey Jax, you gotta let me in, buddy. Move over. Okay. There's my bar. These are the little tears. I'm going to hit it with a vinyl repair kit. Permatex makes one. Try that. No, I didn't put the ice maker on yet. Put it on. Alright, I will in a second. This is the Permatex. Vinyl and leather repair. I'm going to try it out. It comes with its own little tool. Adhesive and filler. I guess this is the little heating tool. Want to give you grain and texture paper too. Alright, I gotta read the directions. What's Jack's doing? Oh man. Hope they give me enough black. All I need is black. Oh, it's powder. Is it? What is this? Powder my ass. Alright. Alright, I'm going to read this and... Okay, it says trim any loose piece, so I got to trim this and little bit of this, but I got to trim this little piece right here. It's loose. This is considered a soft area, so I don't use any hardener. They give you a hardener, so it's just the vinyl cover, and I guess I heat up the little torch, the little iron, and put the texture cloth. It says do not overfill. So I'm just putting a little bit on here. That fan, you hear a fan going off in the background because the blasted thing overheated. It's gonna be a mess. Alright, so this thing crapped out. It's no good. Didn't even use it once and it broke. So I got the iron going. I took the steam off. I got this thing patched up. I just got to put heat on it. Let's see how it turns out. I'm going to reupholster this. I just want it to look decent. You know, so let's see what happens in a little bit. This side up. What did you do to the cat?
On the table.
The cat
No.
is trying to get on the table. No Jacks, because my wife... Get out of here. My wife is making this stuff for the party. It's prosciutto, cheese. And there's the hungry little bastard. You better stop. Keep an eye on him. He almost went on the table, Moose. Okay, they say not to let the iron touch the vinyl. I think it's hot. Yeah, it's hotter than that tool they gave me. But I'm going to do it right here. Let me show you what I did. Here is when one tear was. This is where the other tear was. This one came out the worst, but I gave up. Here's the other tear, and there was some little tears over here too. So pretty much what I was doing wrong was, well, first of all, the kit sucks. I wouldn't buy this kit, the Permatex kit, because the little iron they give you almost set my house on fire. I had it resting right up there, and I had it all plugged in, and pretty much it started smoking. I had to turn on all the vents in the basement, and pretty much try to get the smell out. So then I didn't want to go back to the store and return it because I'm lazy. I decided to use the iron. So at first I put too much heat. That's why there's this little, the tear was up here, and I put too much heat, and it pretty much scarred that. It doesn't matter because I'm going to reupholster this. So I just, right now, like I said, I got a party coming up, so I just, as a quick fix, I put the vinyl repair kit on it. And it looks okay. I guess, you know, everything looks better on camera than it is, but I wouldn't recommend using this. What I ended up doing to make it better, they give you texture patches. I put one patch on top of the other because the iron was too hot, And I let the iron heat up, and then I unplugged it for a couple of minutes, and then applied heat with the iron and 2 patches, and it worked fine. I doubled up on the patches so it wouldn't transfer too much heat on this, and put a mark like that. So there you have it. It's good for now. I'm gonna get drunk. I'm not even gonna notice it. So let's see how it looks. I couldn't believe I stuck my head in to look at that nest right there, right in here, and I didn't even realize that there was a nest right over my head. It looks like they're all dead. They're all dead. There's another little cone in there, if you see it. So that's it. No more flying wasps. So that worked good. I ended up in the emergency room. Picked up this set at Walmart. My wife, I gotta give it to her. She finds every little gadget that makes the backyard look nice. I'll take this cover off. I'm gonna start barbecuing. Wind already blew it off. I'll clean this next. Oh, I got a Weber gas grill, and I have a gas line right there. From what I understand, the folks at Weber said I can't convert this from propane to gas. I'm glad those wasps are gone. I got these bins too at Walmart. I don't know why, but this one here, I always get crickets in this one. They always manage to get in there. I gotta clean this out. He don't like to be outside. He don't like to be outside at all. You want to go in, buddy? Come on. This way. You don't like outside. Here you go. Waiting for company to come. I don't know why I'm making this video. I just felt like making this video. I got a couple of cameras. I'm going to try them out. This is the GoPro 4. I was recording with a cheap camera before, and now I'm taking a break in between killing wasps and trying to repair the vinyl and waiting for friends. I'm going to have a beer. So, cheers.